Hey guys, today I'll be talking about the first 5 mods under $50 that I did to my vehicle. So go ahead and check this out. Now the first mod that I did was a RAM mount. So it's really important that I have my phone visible in front of me. Not only that, but this is a great mount that really holds your phone, especially if I off-road. This one really clamps the phone down in place. I never lose it. It's unlike those magnetic mounts that will fall off when you hit a rock. You know, this one is great. It's under $50. I think it's about 45 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link below in case you guys want to check that out. So that's the first mod, is to have a phone holder. The second mod I'm going to talk about is armrest storage. So Toyota did a great job and they gave you a big storage compartment here. But with that said, it also makes it very difficult to reach and find what you need on the fly. So I bought one of these storage organizers on Amazon, and it's great to keep all your quick things that you need to access, like bear canister, a flashlight, or my driving glasses. Everything's right here in this easy to grab location. I think this is about 15 bucks on Amazon. So this is what I do recommend for a nice upgrade. The next thing I want to talk about is these sequential turn signal mirrors. These are Euro mirrors, so they're actually a wide view. You can see more view of the next lane. It's also great because it provides light so that any oncoming vehicle can see you trying to merge in. So I think that's a great, nice mod. And it's about $40 from Car Trim Home. I'll put a link below. The next set of mods is also side markers. These are smoked out, so it matches my vehicle. And I think they're a lot cleaner. They're also sequential. That's also about $40. I did them at the same time, so that made things a lot easier. The next mod you can do is black overlays. Now, if you have chrome overlays and you want to get black overlays, this gives it a nice blacked out look. I think that's a great quick mod that you can do to really enhance and change the appearance of your vehicle. So black overlays. And lastly, a D ring. So these are great because they not only protect your vehicle in case somebody rears you or you back out into something, but it's also good for recovery. So somebody can help pull you with a rope if you have one of these, or you can actually move rocks out of the ground if you're on a hill and it's in the way. There's a bunch of things that you can do with a D ring hook. And I think that's one of the things that I would recommend you getting. It's saved me a bunch of times already. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a quick 5 items under $50 that I would get first if you guys are looking to get something for somebody or just do yourself. These are quick, cheap mods that I think bring value to my life and my experiences with the vehicle. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit subscribe.